a FurZapper. It is a sticky, spongy type thing that goes in your laundry. It says it's safe for the washer and dryer. Removes pet fur from your dryer, removes pet fur from your washer. So I have 5 pets. We're gonna try it out. It's already sticking to just the fur in the air, so I hope that's a good sign. We'll see what happens. Okay, I am going to start with a dryer only test. This is the king quilt from our bed. I'm gonna toss it in there. Regular setting. And start. The second test is going to be this fleece pet blanket that I have. It's clean. I just folded it up, put it on our bed. One of our cats is already on it, so I assume that it'll be completely covered in fur soon. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to get it washed and see what happens. Fleece attracts tons of fur, so we'll see. Here's our kitty Baxter. Good girl. I have to laugh. She's already on here. Her feet are tucked in. We're gonna get tons of fur for this test, aren't we, Baxter? Pretty girl. Halfway through the cycle, I just opened the dryer to see if anything is happening. It's covered in fur, so that's positive. It says it's supposed to draw the fur into the lint trap. I don't know how it does that, but it has fur all over it, so I'm hopeful. It's really slimy now, and it's hot. All right, here we go again. All right, it's the following morning, and I pulled test 1, king quilt, out of the dryer. I've thoroughly inspected it, and it looks perfect. This is probably the first time ever that there's no fur on it. Yeah, so this gets a huge thumbs up for test 1. Test 2 is on its way. Test number 2 is getting washed right now. Both cats slept on it all night, as I suspected. There's fur all over it. I'm hopeful. We'll see what happens. Test number 2, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a quick wash on a short cycle for small loads. Test 2 out of the dryer, and all I see is one little hair right there. That's it. Scoot gives it a thumbs up. Okay, this will be our third and final test. These are 3 fleece dog blankets that I had found. I'd set them aside. It didn't get them washed. I'm not sure what happened. I just found them all. As you can see, they're really covered in fur. This one's pretty bad. I hope it's showing up on camera. All of these are covered in fur. They are disgusting. I hope you can see all that. The fleece has sucked all the fur inside of it to where like the fur is like through the threads. So I'm hoping that comes out. This has worked pretty well so far, so I'm hopeful. This is the biggest job so far. So we're gonna see what happens here. I'm crossing my fingers that this works because dogs are so gross. All right, here it is. It's cool again. It's got a little fur on it, but I got it mostly cleaned up. I'm gonna toss it in and see. Okay, that's a wrap. This FurZapper is honestly awesome. It does exactly what it says it's gonna do. Dog's barking in the background. It says it's going to take fur from your clothes, and it does that. That's all I can expect for any product to do, is exactly what it says. It doesn't say it's going to take off every single fiber of fur from every single blanket and from every single outfit that you own, but it does take the fur off. So a huge thumbs up for that. The price is also a thumbs up. It was $11.99. The one bone to pick I have with that is shipping was like $5.99. That sucks. No one wants to pay shipping on this product, so either add it in to the cost of your product or just nix it. The other tiny thing I have to pick with it, I feel bad, but I have an English degree, so this really bothers me. If you look on the product right here on the front, let me pull in, it says pet fur from. That's just a simple error, but it's a product and it's out there, and I expect it to have proper grammar. Is that too much to ask? I know it's small and petty. Another thing I just noticed, if you look in the center here, endorsed by the ASPCA, so that's really cool as well. I give this a huge thumbs up. I think you should try it and order it. I'm not sponsored by them, obviously. I just found this on Pinterest, I think, and just thought, you know, hey, I'll order it and see. I have so many pets. Yeah, if you order it, let me know. Thanks, guys. Bye. Harriet says, thanks for watching.